Hello friends, welcome to 12th Science Physics lecture number 1, chapter number 1, electric charges and fields. This is the basic concept of electrostatics. So what is meant by electric charge? So electric charge is a property of object just like a mass. It is difficult to define it, but we can understand by its types. So usually there are two main types of the charges: positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge. So first of all, particle. So we studied it in 11th science. What is meant by particle? The particle is a point-like object having some mass. So particle made of some small molecules containing proton and electrons. So usually we knew that proton having positive charge and electron having negatively charge. So from this like charges मतलब positive, negative. So positive charge repels, मतलब पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो या नेगेटिव चार्ज हो तो वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर फोर्स लगाते हैं अवे फ्रॉम दी ईच अदर. Similarly, unlike charges attract each other just like positive and negative charge. Next point, suppose we have some neutral body, so how we can charge it? So there are several methods to charge it. To electrify a neutral body, we need to add or remove one kind of charge. Means अगर हमको किसी न्यूट्रल बॉडी को चार्जिंग बॉडी में कन्वर्ट करना है तो उसके ऊपर कुछ चार्ज दो या कुछ चार्ज उससे लो. Either it is positive or negative. Then we studied in 11th science chapter number 1, law of conservation of electric charge. What is this statement? The total charge of the isolated system is always conserved. So you are familiar with the meaning of isolated and conserved. So let me revise the isolated word. Isolated मतलब there is no contact of object electrically, or you can say electrically चार्ज बॉडी के अंदर कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. या कंजर्व मतलब जितनी क्वांटिटी है उतनी सेम रहनी चाहिए. सो देयर आर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. या फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू देयर आर सेवरल मेथड्स ऑफ चार्जिंग. सो फ्रॉम दैट फर्स्ट मेथड, चार्जिंग बाय रबिंग. तो उसका फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है हमारे पास ग्लास रॉड एंड सिल्क पीस. सो टेक ए ग्लास रॉड एंड सिल्क पीस. बोथ आर सेपरेटेड. इनिशियली देयर इज नो चार्ज ऑन द ग्लास रॉड, सेम एज नो चार्ज ऑन द सिल्क पीस. बट व्हेन वी कांटेक्ट देम एंड रब ईच अदर, or you can say silk piece rubbing on the glass rod, so glass rod loses the electrons as electron having negative charge lose हो रहा है मतलब जा रहा है तो negative charge कम होगा तो glass rod become positively charged. The electron loses by the glass rod, gained by the silk piece. Electron having negative charge, तो सिल्क के पीस के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज ज्यादा होगा. So silk piece will become become negatively charged. So the quantity or value of the positive charge of the glass rod and value of the negative charge of the silk piece, both are same. So if we combine it or simply add it, the total net electric charge is 0. Same way, second example, plastic rod and fur या आप भूल भी ले सकते हो. So प्लास्टिक रॉड और वूल को आप रब करोगे तो उससे जो फ्रिक्शन या रबिंग की वजह से wool loses the electrons, so will become positively charged. And same way, the electron loses by the wool, gained by the plastic rod. So plastic rod will become negatively charged and wool become positively charged. So total net charge in both the cases is equal to 0. Before rubbing and after rubbing. So before rubbing, glass rod having no charge, silk piece having no charge. After rubbing, total charge positive negative 0 हो जाएगा. Similarly, plastic rod और wool के लिए भी वैसे ही हम बोल सकते हैं. So some important points are there. These are charged by the rubbing. Total electric charge lost when charged bodies are brought in contact. दोनों को रबिंग के बाद आप कांटेक्ट करो तो टोटल नेट चार्ज 0 हो जाता है. So next to conductor and insulator, we are familiar with the two words, conductor and insulator. Conductor means electricity easily passes through the object, is known as the conductor. So why electricity passes through this type of material? Because this type of material having number of large free electrons. The example of conductor, we all knew that human body, animal body, earth and all metals. All these are the example of the conductors. Whereas insulator, due to high resistance of the material, they resist the electricity. So we can say that due to high resistance, electricity do not pass. So example of the insulator, nylon, plastic, glass, etc. Then what is mean by earthing or grounding? So we first say that earth is a source of infinite free electrons, and earthing or grounding useful in our day-to-day life. In our residential and commercial areas, earthing and grounding is must. So what is mean by earthing and grounding? The process of sharing the charges with the earth. The process of sharing the charges with the earth. तो जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेस होते हैं वो अर्थ में अगर चले जाएंगे तो उसको हम अर्थिंग बोलेंगे. So this is the important phenomena in the electricity, or you can say static electricity. So in general, whenever there is a excess electricity, the excess number of electrons are going into the earth through the connecting thick copper wire in our residential or commercial properties. So these are the some basics of the electrostatic, or you can say electric charge and fields. Fields हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस के लिए